Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Lase and I welcome you everyone for our new YouTube channel Karnataka Coaching Center Belgavi. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about SSC GD vacancies of 2022. So this video will be making in two languages, English majorly and little bit of Hindi. Okay, fine. So total 24,369 vacancies have been announced this year for SSC GD 10th and SSLC. 10th or SSLC, 10th students can apply for this exam. If you are 10th passed, looking for a government job, so very good opportunity is ahead of you. So let's check it out. What are the eligibility criteria? क्या है इसमें? Who can apply for this? Let us check it next. So totally these are the different departments in this force: BSF, CISF, CRPF, SSF and all, and these are the vacancies. For BSF totally 8,922 vacancies are there, and for females 1,575, for males 8,922, females के लिए 1,575, totally 10,000 vacancies around are there in BSF. Similarly, you can pause the video, you can just have a look at this, the different departments are there, and here you can clearly see the pay scale is 21,700 to 69,100. This is the pay scale which you will be getting after joining in this department. Let us move ahead. Eligibility age limit, minimum 18 years is there. Every year it used to be for general merit 23 years and OBC 26 years, SC, ST 28 years. These students were eligible, but due to COVID and the pandemic, कोविड के रीज़न की वजह से गवर्नमेंट ने इस बार रिलैक्सेशन आपको दिया है 3 इयर्स का. कितने साल का? 3 इयर्स का. देखो यहाँ पर आपको रिलैक्सेशन मिल रहा है, तो जिसका एज 23 से भी बढ़ गया है +3 कर दो, 23 + 3 कितना हो गया? 26 इयर्स वाले GM स्टूडेंट भी इसमें एलिजिबल है. अगर आपकी कैटेगरी OBC, SC, ST से बिलोंग करती है तो वहाँ पे भी +3, जस्ट मेक इट +3, you will be eligible for giving this examination. Okay, and these are the different things. And remember one thing here, state government में especially like Karnataka state government में जैसे 3B, 3A will be there. Okay, OBC, these will not be considered OBC in the central. So be sure whenever you are filling the form, make sure you notice that. Okay. So it is better if in Karnataka you are 3B and 3A, do not apply OBC there, okay? Because in this you will be considered in the central government job, you will be considered as GM only. So apply in the GM, general merit. Moving ahead, mode of selection, computer based test will be there initially, stage number 1. After clearing this, examination will be in 2 languages, Hindi and English. Second is physical test and then medical and then document verification. We'll talk about the examination. Let us check about the examination. Computer based examination, you will be giving CBT. Part number A, intelligence and reasoning, total 20 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, 40 marks will be getting. GK and general awareness about the current news and all, 20 questions, 40 marks will be getting. Mathematics, elementary, up to the 10th level, like arithmetic part, simple part of trigonometry, geometry and all, you will be getting 20 questions, you will be again getting 40. Hindi or English, whichever you are choosing, English grammar or Hindi grammar. So 20 questions, 40 marks again. So what you can do, some of the students, some students will be confused. I am Hindi and should I select Hindi or English? In the examination you can select anyhow. Even though you are using, आप यहाँ के जैसे बेलगाम के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हिंदी सेलेक्ट करते हैं, तो बाकी के क्वेश्चंस वो मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग और मैथमेटिक्स का जो भी है रीजनिंग का, दे कैन अटेम्प्ट इन इंग्लिश. लेकिन जो ग्रामर पार्ट है वो आपके अकॉर्डिंगली आप कोई भी दे सकते हो. अगर आपको हिंदी वाला ग्रामर देना है तो हिंदी ग्रामर दे सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव इंग्लिश ग्रामर, यू कैन गिव दैट ऑल्सो. तो ये चीज़ें हैं. और नेगेटिव मार्किंग रहेगा. देयर इज अ नेगेटिव मार्किंग, दैट इज 25%. ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 2 मार्क्स, सो 25% मतलब 0.5 मार्क्स. वन रॉन्ग आंसर मीन्स 0.5 मार्क्स will be eliminated, decreased from your this. And this is how, and this is something like minimum marks you have to take. If you are 30%, 48 marks. Out of 160 marks, minimum 48 marks, minimum. This is the minimum I am telling. You have to take it. Then selection will be depending on the merit list also. This is something like passing. Minimum you have to take here. For OBC it is 40 marks. For other categories it is 30 marks. Moving ahead, you can pause the video. Just look at this for extra information also. Next is physical test. For males 5 km in 24 minutes. For females we have to run 1.6 kilometers in 8.3. Okay? In 8.5 minutes you have to run this 1.6 kilometer. Similarly the height, also the height for males is 170, females 157, chest 80 centimeter, minimum expansion is 5 centimeter, weight as per the medical standards. And these are the heights for ST students, Maratha students, different heights are given. You can just check it. Okay. And for males, these are information. You can just pause the video and just have a look at this. Moving ahead to the next, bonus mark. NCC certificates. The students who are having the NCC certificates will be given some bonus, like we see in the Indian Army. Bonus marks. Same thing, if you are having NCCC certificate, 8 marks you will be getting. B certificate 4.8 and A certificate 3.2 marks extra you will be getting here. Next is important dates. These are the different dates. You can pause the video, take a screenshot if you want. Dates for submission, the last date is 30/11/2022. Okay, so November 30 is the last date. The applications have been started, so go through this. And receipt is the last date to take the receipts of online application is this. Okay, application, payment date, challan, everything is mentioned here. And schedule of online examination, this is very important. January 2023 will be is the tentative date for your examination. So be ready with your preparation. Soon the examination will be there in just 2 months. So make sure you are preparing for this. Online application is 100 rupees for other. Baki for SC/ST women and ex-servicemen it is nil. Okay. Moving ahead. And these are the different exam centers in like Karnataka, Belgavi, Bengaluru, Hubli, then Gulbarga, Mangaluru, Mysore, Shimoga and Udupi. These are the centers. Moving ahead, this is something about our coaching center. I'll just shortly tell you about our coaching center. Library facility will be there from morning 7 to 8 and this is our 5 different classroom for different batches. We will be making English batch separate, Kannada batch will be made separate, हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी अलग से किया जाएगा. सो बहुत सारे टोटल वेल एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टी यहाँ पर 10 से 12 टीचर्स आपको सिखाने के लिए 10 to 12 teachers will be there here to teach you according to your different medium, different languages, and daily the classes will be minimum 6 hours from morning 10 to evening according to the batches wise will be making different. So if you are interested, you can soon contact us. In the description our address is given. You can just contact there. You can directly come to our center. And yes, so these are the different features we'll be providing, like all these 6 hours classes, classrooms, teaching through the smart board, projectors, notes, all the GK notes will be provided to you. And minimum like we'll be solving even original question papers, 40 original question papers will be providing you. All the study materials of mathematics, reasoning, GK, English grammar or Hindi grammar, whatever is there, 100% content will be provided in the notes format. This is there. And yes, and finally, if you are not satisfied with the coaching classes and all, fees will be refunded back to you. That's our promise. With this, let's move ahead and let us wind up our session here. Thank you friends for joining, and please be updated because we'll be putting out the new videos soon. Our reasoning teacher, maths sir, science sir, they will be providing you good videos on this YouTube channel. So just please subscribe our channel and please support us and keep on moving. Thank you friends. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.